Hello and welcome to my channel. In quick recipes, today we are going to make burritos. This is also very quick, very easy and simple recipe. So let's get started. Heat some oil in a pan. Then add some red chili powder. Then add a Mexican mixed veg. You can use half the packet of veggies in this recipe and half we can use later on for tacos. Then add chili con carne, smoked chicken and burrito mix. That's it. Give it a mix and add shredded cheese. Then we warm the tortilla on a pan. You can also do it in microwave, but on the pan it gets crispy and that's what we need. Then add some shredded cheese and the stuffing that we have made. That's it. The burrito is ready. Try it and let me know whether you like it or not. And use the leftover Mexican veggies for making tacos. The video is coming after this.